Hey, here's how to do the area model. Your target here is to know how to do the area model. So you should know how to do the area model. Have this paper in front of you and do this first one with me. And if you don't have this paper, draw a box. It's not that hard to draw the box and put the numbers. Okay, so we are doing 30 times 50, and they have set it up for you. 30 is right there, and 50 is right here. The thing about this, though, is 30, we're not going to break it up, and there's no ones, so there's just a 0 here. So 3 times 5, remember you can always use your chart. 3 times 5 is 15. I've got the 0 there, so this is 1,500 or 1,500. What is 50 times 0? Well, 50 groups of nothing is still nothing. Or you could say 0 groups of 50 is 0. And guess what? 30 groups of 0 is 0. And 0 groups of 0 is 0. We've got our answer right there. It's 1,500. We'll do one more that's a little bit harder. Okay, 65 is right here. 60 plus 5. 60 plus 5 is 65. And 71 is right here. 70 plus 1 is 71. We are doing 65 times 71. We're just breaking it into smaller groups. So 7 times 6 is 42. And of course, I have a 0 here and a 0 here, so I will end up with 2 more zeros. 60 times 1, the 60 and the 1 meet up right here. If 1 starts traveling over and 60 travels down, they would meet right here, just like on a multiplication chart. 60 times 1 is 60. Now, if 70 was traveling over and 5 was traveling down, the 70 and the 5 would meet right here. 7 times 5 is 35. There is that extra 0 here. This is 7 tens, so we're going to have 35 tens. 35 tens is 350. And then, of course, 1 and 5 meet right here. One group of 5 is 5. Now we're going to add these up. 4,200 plus 350. I don't want to try and do that in my head. I'm going to use some space here. 4,200, 350. Add those up. Yes, you should write this part too. 0, 5, 5, and 4. 4,550 is what 4,200 plus 350 is. Whoops, oh no. 4,550. 60 plus 5 I can do in my head. That is 65. Now I add it all up. 5 and 0 is 5. 6 and 5 is 11. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then 4. 4,615. Well, there you go. I've done a couple for you. Remember, there are a bunch of zeros. A lot of this is going to be pretty easy. You just have to do the other 4 on this paper. So there you go. There's Friday's math. That's how to do the area model without the grid. We're just putting the answers in the boxes.